Hey folks, and welcome back to Autumn Woods to Country Life. We decided to take a little break today and hook up the boat and go fishing. So we're headed down to the Edisto River, which is less than 30 minutes from our house, and we're going to see what bites. The Edisto River is interesting because it's the longest blackwater river in the United States. It's over 200 miles long. So it runs from up in North Carolina border all the way down to the Atlantic Ocean. And of course we're closer to the ocean on this end, and the river's a little wider here. So we're gonna wet a line and hook and see what we can bring in. We'll drown some worms. So stick with us and let's see what we can catch.
What you got?
All right. Oh. We had a limb brim.
Uh-oh.
First thing
It
to
went
bite
away.
today. All right, there's a nice brim.
Pretty. It's really nice. Oh, looks like you got one. Did I film you or the?
I got him.
Okay. Oh, what we got?
I don't know if I got him or not now. Got off probably. No, I got him.
Got him? Do we need the net?
No.
Alright, do I film Dad or you?
Film me.
Oh, looky.
All right. I've got a catfish.
He's so cute. He's limping. Is he eatable? He's a little thing.
He's a little small, so.
He's cute though.
Fun to catch. We're gonna throw this one back.
He's a wiry little
Little
thing.
channel cat. But he was hungry.
And what makes him a China cat?
Channel cat. He's got spots.
Channel.
That's just what kind he is.
Channel cat. Okay.
Yeah, forked tail and spots.
Okay.
All right, little fella. You can go back and grow up now.
I'll get you next time.
It's fun to catch them. Got him. Nice. Big one. Big something.
You need me to get the net?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Got him?
All right, we got something here now.
What in the world is that?
We got an eel.
Oh my. Ew, he looked like a snake.
That's an eel.
Ew. Ew.
Edisto River eel.
He moves like a snake.
They're good to eat as a catfish, but I'm not going to keep them because they are slimy as all get out, but they are fun to catch.
He can go.
Just
They
it.
don't bite, do they?
You don't never know what you go catch in the Edisto River.
Did they bite? Ugh.
No. It's been a long time since I've caught one of these fellas. Alright, mister.
Oh.
Any other time he'd have went in the water.
Maybe he wants to come home with you.
Now I need a rag to pick him up, so I'm gonna get one of these whites. They've been put off such slime.
Ugh.
Here we go. Oh, I got him.
Alrighty.
There he is.
No more eels. What is this little fella?
Catfish.
Another little one. They're
Maybe
pretty.
a little bit bigger than the other one.
What kind is it again?
That's a channel cat.
Channel cat. And why are they called that?
That's just what kind they are. I don't know. 'Cause I
Did they
guess
get bigger?
Oh yeah, they get real big.
Channel cats can live about 15 years, and they average about 2 to 7 pounds and can measure 12 to 24 inches, and they can also get bigger.
No, my intentions are to let you go, mister. I'm gonna put you on that side. Nibbling at that worm, trying to get it off of that hook. This one might be a little bit better.
Ooh,
Yeah,
look at there. Is that another channel catfish?
that's a channel cat.
Oh, he's bigger, huh?
See the spots?
Yeah. Let me get him up close. Okay, he's got like freckles.
Yep.
Is he a keeper?
He is a keeper. He might be our supper for tomorrow night.
Your supper.
Well, these is a good eating size, huh?
They're not fishy tasting? Okay,
But you
let's
don't
try
eat
them.
this the big ones. So we both got hung on both rods. So both our lines are broke. So that's a good indicator that it's time to go home. So the mosquitoes are bad. We didn't bring a thermocell because we thought the mosquitoes wasn't going to be that bad, but when the sun started to go down, the mosquitoes come out. So anyway, we caught a good mess of fish. We caught an eel, we caught some catfish, we caught a brim. So we didn't get skunked. It was a good day to fish. The weather was nice, and God blessed us by letting us get what we got.
That's actually what you asked for in our prayer as we ate our lunch. You said, Lord, help us to get enough to have a meal.
Yeah, so
and I think we got it.
We technically do. So, but the Lord knows we got fish in the freezer. So, but I just said, Lord, I just wanted to catch some, even if we threw them back, and that was the case. So, anyway, you know, it works to pray, that's for sure, about everything. You got time, you got a place where you can go fishing before it gets to be too hot weather, get out there and go, because it's time to do it. So God bless you, and we'll pack it up and see you on the next one.